Guys, so today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on a Acura MDX, just like the title says. Process is very simple. Right now I have the car on just so I can show you the light, which is that one right there. Yeah. Okay, so if you come here to your right hand side, you're going to see these two buttons that say select and reset. So what you're going to do is with the car in the off position, which is right there, just off, press and hold these two buttons. Alright, and then you're gonna put the ignition in the on position. Don't turn on the car, just the on position. So just give me a second because I'm gonna have to use my other hand for this. Don't let those buttons go. So just give me 1 second. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, press the on. Now just wait a little second, and you gotta notice that your light is gonna blink. And after it blinks, okay, so it just went away, right? Now you can let go. Your check engine light is gonna blink. Sorry. All right, and now you're gonna let go. Turn off the car and turn it on. And there you go. Your light is off. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, please subscribe, share it, and keep tuned. Check out my Acura playlist so you can see other Acura fixes. Thanks for watching.